Look at all of these amazing beads I just got from John Bead for a Valentine's Day project. My particular favorites in this bunch are the Czech glass bead bar mixes and the stitch-on rhinestones. The first thing I'm going to do is cut out some hearts in 2 different sizes from the good felt beading felt. This is very stiff felt and it's perfect for this project. I'm using scalloped edge scissors, but you can use pinking shears or keep the edges plain, it's up to you. Pick out your beads and sequins. Using nylon thread, I'm going to add a row of sequins with bead stoppers around the center heart. Make sure that you align your hearts perfectly before you start stitching. Add a sequin and a seed bead and then go back through the sequin to keep it in place. Continue doing this all the way around the smaller center heart. In the 17th century, exchanging valentines grew popular in England, becoming more elaborate in the Victorian era with ribbons and bows. Now I'm going around the outer heart with single seed beads. For the center, I'm going to create a flower using sew-on rhinestones and surround it with these amazing hot pink bugle beads. These bugle beads are a little flatter and wider than regular bugle beads, and they'll make perfect petals and a stem. The Czech bead box also has some pink leaves, which will be perfect for this heart. Finally, I'm surrounding the flower with larger sequins and bead stoppers. Here I'm mixing more of my favorite Valentine's Day colors with red and white beads. Richard Cadbury created the first heart-shaped chocolate box in 1868, linking the shape to sweet indulgence. When your hearts are where you want them, cut another felt heart and hot glue it on the back to cover the stitching. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Make sure to check out John Bead. I'm going to leave a link to everything I used in the description below. I'm going to leave a link to everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want inspiration that I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And if you want even more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I'll see you real soon. Bye, everybody.